Technique. I see body very nice, but technique not very nice.
What do you mean technical?
You're doing wrong. You need to do more like this. And then you stay like this and like this.
You have to hold it like that?
Like that. Why are you laughing? Can you hold, please? Them up. What's happening? Better I will show you, yes? Like this. And then you do like this. Like this. Like this. That's what I said, guys. Like, it's a little bit heavier, but it will be much better for the future, I mean. Maybe you'll take like less weight a bit and then you'll continue. I don't know, like, let me just